Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for beginners. Imagine ClickUp as a giant digital toolbox to help you and your team stay organized and get things done. Here's a big breakdown. Think of project as a big goal and tasks as smaller steps to reach that goal. ClickUp helps you break down project into manageable tasks, spaces like folders to group related project, lists live inside spaces and help categorize small tasks within project. Adding tasks, click to the plus button in the list or use keyboard shortcut, press T and enter. Set deadlines for tasks to stay on track, mark tasks as high, normal or low priority to focus on more important one first. Add details to tasks using description, use comment to ask questions, share updates or collab with teammates. Share projects and tasks with specific person or make them public with your workspace. ClickUp automatically send notification when someone assign you tasks or mention you in a comment. You can also use pre-made templates to save time setting up common project types. You can take ClickUp on the go with mobile app to manage tasks and stay updated with anywhere. Complex tasks. ClickUp breaks down complex tasks into smaller, easier to manage steps using checklist. This is how you can use ClickUp for beginners. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.